Good afternoon, ladies, and happy Fashion Friday. It just happens to be Friday, November 14th, and gosh, we are like halfway through the month. I can't believe it. And I haven't even been on here yet to share with you the monthly club box from Park Lane Jewelry. This month it is called the Vera. And once I saw some of my friends, my sister stylists, sharing what was in it, and I realized I had just picked up this sweater from, you know it, TJ Maxx. I thought this would be really fun to wear for holiday this next couple of months. I thought, oh my gosh, I need to put this on to show you this box. So first of all, let me know in the comments, do you have a monthly subscription box you get? It might be for your pets, it might be your collagen, it might be something like a Stitch Fix, it might be supplements, oils. Let me know if you have any kind of a box that comes monthly. I want to let you know about the sparkliest one yet available from Park Lane. We like to call this our monthly club, and when you get a little bit of sparkle in the month, it ships out right away on the first of the month with what? Free shipping, if you can believe it. Absolutely free shipping on this subscription box. I don't think many people can tell you that, that's for sure. What a treat it is. Like, I am so excited when I see I got a package coming on the first of the month, and I know it is a subscription. Hello, Miss Joy. Thank you for hopping on and watching. I'm just starting to share our monthly club from Park Lane. They always come in a very fun box like this for free shipping. Absolutely. We have got a couple of levels of this club, and I can tell you already last week, the Elite, the 3 pieces of jewelry, which would be earrings, necklace, and bracelets, is sold out. What we have got left for you right now is our middle level, which is our premium. And it is $80 worth of jewelry with earrings and $80 worth of jewelry with bracelets. So ladies, it's $160 worth of jewelry that we have available right now. Again, the necklaces are already gone for $39. So that is like 75% off. It's absolutely crazy. So I don't have any bling yet. I am literally I have not looked or opened this. I was out of town, gone to Salt Lake City when it arrived, okay? So I'm going to get dressed, put my jewelry on with you all as I'm looking at it here. So let me give you a close-up. First of all, it is silver. So for those that can wear silver, okay, our redheads, we recommend gold on with that warm color code. Look at this stunning earring right here. Look at all of those CZs. Again, you've got that quatrefoil. There even are CZs up on the fish hook here at the top. Zoom in, take a look at that. So let me go ahead and put this on. I love the nice back that is with these earrings. It's a little bit more substantial, which is great for my arthritis fingers right here, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in and get the back on. But oh my gosh, I'm taking this, very inexpensive sweater from TJ Maxx, and I'm adding incredibly gorgeous earrings. Again, the earrings alone are an $80 value. And then I'm going to show you the bracelet set as well. And you know what? I'm not mad about the necklace being gone, because guess what? When you grab a sweater like this, you wouldn't want to even add a necklace and distract from all of the pearls and stones that are on. Look at how I just elevated that look right there. Oh my goodness gracious. Do you love? Look at the Vera right here. I would take a little arm party on my wrist. And so again, another $80 value opening out of the plastic. I literally have not seen these before showing them to you right now. So let me see what the bracelet stack is looking like. It's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4 bracelet pieces. Let me go ahead and work to get the tag off of here also so that I'm not dangling that like a mini pearl. Remember Minnie Pearl with her tag on her hat? Oh my goodness, 4 bracelets. Look at this. And by the way, of course, Jackie Kennedy always said, pearls are for absolutely everybody. So it is a 4-stack bracelet set right here. There is the quatrefoil design right here on this one in particular. Let you zoom in on that. We'll get a nice picture for you there. There it is. Oh my gosh. 4 bracelet pieces. I'm going to go ahead and mix them up just a little bit and put those on with this super fun sweater again that I grabbed at TJ Maxx. How fun is that? I am so set, so ready. I probably should get another blingy ring on besides my anniversary band from Todd, right? How fun is this? So this club box is $39 with free shipping. It is $160 worth of jewelry. So 40, 80, 120, 160. That is 75% off. And guess what? If you would only wear the earrings, gift the bracelets. If you only want the bracelets, gift the earrings, or vice versa. It's all a matter of what might work for you. I have heard that next month is likely to be silver as well. We've had a lot of gold and with the animal print and such this fall. But again, this is the Vera. She is gorgeous. She is available for you to grab right now. So if you need the Vera Club link, go ahead and comment Vera down below and I will make sure that you get that and we get you elevated up for all of your holiday festivities. Thanks so much for watching, ladies, and have a radiant day. Bye-bye.